Hi, my name is Edwin Chiquinta. I am from Lima, Peru. I would like to create a mobile phone holder. It is like a small basket. It can be placed near a power outlet. It can be installed in different parts of the house. The goal of this idea is safety. When people charge their phones, they often leave them on the floor. This can dynamic the phone. This holder keeps the phone off the floor. It keeps all the phone safe and organized. It makes charging easier and safer. Thanks.